Okay, so now let us see the details of these 4 steps: oxidation, hydration, oxidation, cleavage. Fine. Now what you have, acyl-CoA, it is in the mitochondria. Now you're going to break it down into acyl-CoA plus acetyl-CoA. This acyl-CoA will have 2 carbon less than the carbon here, the total number of carbons here. Fine. So first you have oxidation, then hydration, then oxidation, cleavage. These 4 you have to remember. Now oxidation of acyl-CoA will give you trans-enoyl-CoA. What are you getting? Trans-enoyl-CoA. Then you will do hydration, so you will get hydroxy, so you will get beta-hydroxy-acyl-CoA. Acyl-CoA is here, it got hydrolyzed, beta-hydroxy-acyl-CoA. Oxidation, it becomes keto-acyl-CoA, and now you will cleave it to get your end result, acyl-CoA plus acetyl-CoA. Is this fine? So just look at the substrates at each level. Acyl-CoA will give you trans-enyl-CoA, that will get hydrated, right, to beta-hydroxy-acyl-CoA. Then you will oxidize it again to get beta-keto-acyl-CoA. Then you will cleave it to get acyl-CoA plus acetyl-CoA. Fine. Now, what you need to know more here. The enzyme names, correct? So, what are the enzymes? Acyl-CoA dehydrogenase, correct? Acyl-CoA dehydrogenase is going to be the enzyme. Let me give it a color. Acyl-CoA dehydrogenase. Actually, you can see in the name itself, the substrate is acyl-CoA, so it's acyl-CoA dehydrogenase. It's an oxidation reaction, right? So, acyl-CoA is becoming trans-enoyl-CoA. The next reaction is hydration. The enzyme will be enoyl-CoA hydratase. Now coming to the next reaction, again oxidation. Here the enzyme will be beta-hydroxy-acyl-CoA dehydrogenase. Not at all difficult, right? With the same name as substrate. Okay. Now look at the last reaction, cleavage. Here you will have to use a lyase enzyme. You use thiolase. Okay. It's a lyase enzyme. Okay. So your beta-keto-acyl-CoA will break into acyl-CoA plus acetyl-CoA with the help of this enzyme thiolase. Fine. Now we need to look at the energetics. What exactly is released where? Let me tell you that. Look at the first oxidation. The first oxidation releases FADH2. The second oxidation releases NADH. Fine. Is this clear? The first oxidation will give you FADH2. The second one will give you NADH. Just look at some other details here. In the second reaction, that is hydration, you will have to supply water. Fine. And in the last reaction, that is cleavage, see here, beta-keto-acyl-CoA is becoming acyl-CoA plus acetyl-CoA. As you can see, there are 2 CoAs here in the products. So you need to supply another coenzyme E here, right? Then only you can break it with the help of thiolase into acyl-CoA and acetyl-CoA. Fine. Is this clear? The first reaction gave you FADH2. The second one you are adding water. The third one you are getting NADH. And in the last one you are adding coenzyme E.